Everyone, Extreme Crypto here with your daily crypto news. What's happening? Is the crypto bottom in? Are they loading up on Matic and Link? Whales getting bigger and bigger? And celebrities getting sued for alleged pump and dump? But before we get to the news, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so we can help growing the crypto adoption. Have the crypto markets bottom? Markets wrap open interest, increasing inflation, long positions, and exchange outflows all point to an increasing bullish sentiment for the crypto market. Now that's good news. Are we going to go back up to all-time highs, or will we hit strong resistance points? Crypto markets have consistently tumbled since the market's all-time high market capitalization of near $3 trillion in November. The ever-increasing slump can be attributed to a number of things, including the Fed's announcement of reduced assets purchases and increasing rates and a significant liquidation event earlier this month. More recent data on exchange inflows and outflows, futures open interest, inflation, and long positions all point to more positive market sentiment with the potential to reverse the downtrend. Now, we had a good correction and it's healthy for the market, but things do look good to go bullish again. The recent slump, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets are known to be volatile, but the crypto markets have dropped from a nearly $3 trillion market capitalization in mid-November to as low as $1.85 trillion. The market has since recovered to nearly $2.1 trillion, but uncertainty still remains. Well, crypto has dropped massively, but sentiment is showing it's starting to follow stocks. Stocks has dropped less than 1% this week, where crypto has dropped around 10%. So are crypto overreacting? Largest Ethereum whales now hold over 80 billion worth of Ethereum as weekends capitulate. Crypto analyst firm Settlement says a diverging pattern indicates whales are accumulating massive amounts of Ethereum, while exchanges see their supply of the leading smart contract platform shrink. The market insight agency tells its 122,600 Twitter followers that the ratio of Ethereum held by whales off of crypto exchanges compared to on exchanges is rising to all-time highs. Now, if whales are buying and holding, what does that mean for Ethereum? The amount of Ethereum held by the top 10 non-exchange whales addresses has now ballooned to 25.7 million ETH held. Meanwhile, the top 10 exchange whale addresses continue falling, with only 3.57 million ETH. The ratio is the highest since the asset's inception. That's almost 7-to-1 difference. Better stock on Ethereum because it seems like something is happening. Top Ethereum whales load up on Polygon, Matic, and Chainlink's link as crypto markets recover. Now, this has been in the news quite a bit. Ethereum whales keeps on loading on Matic. So, just looking at the news, get Ethereum, get Matic. It seems like there might be opportunities. A well-monitoring resource has found that the richest wallet addresses on the Ethereum network have been loading up on Polygon, Matic, and Chainlink as the cryptocurrency markets recover, with only Ethereum's and stable coins leading these coins in terms of holdings. According to data from Whale Stats, first spotted by Daily Hold'em, the 1,000 largest addresses on the Ethereum network have over the last few days been loading up on Polygon and Chainlink along with Ethereum and leading stablecoins USDC and USDT. Now this is an interesting one. How these ordinary selfies are worth over 1 million as NFTs. A 22-year-old college student from Indonesia has innocently created a cult out of an NFT collection that consists of 933 ordinary daily selfies of himself. That's more than 2.5 years of taking a daily selfie. The creator of the NFT collection is still in disbelief of the outcome this innocent launch project has had. A selfie standing in front of his computer every day, and it made NFTs out of it. And now, currently, after he started selling the NFTs for $3 one, the minimum price for one NFT currently is $1,500, making his collection worth almost 1.5 billion, not billion, excuse me, million dollars. Kim Kardashian sued for alleged crypto pump and dump. What? A celebrity getting sued for pump and dump? An investor is suing Kim Kardashian, boxer Floyd Mayweather, Junior Hall of Fame basketball player Paul Pierce, and the co-founders of Ethereum Max for allegedly concluding to promote the cryptocurrency last spring in a pump and dump scheme, according to papers filed on January 7th. Now, we've seen a lot of celebrities on different social networks talking about coins. Are they getting paid? Are they getting coins? Are they dumping? The proof is in the pudding. Facts. The investor Ryan brought a federal suit in the Central District of California as a class action on behalf of all investors who purchased Ethereum Max tokens between May 14th and June 27, 2021, and were damaged thereby. He is seeking investors to join the class. On June 14, Kardashian promoted a newly launched coin to her then 228 million Instagram followers. Trading volume on that day jumped 35% to 30 million US, but the price fell 17% from, according to CoinMarketCap. Mayweather and Pierce promoted Emax in May. The three celebrities were paid cash or tokens for their promotions, the suit alleged. So were they paying cash or tokens? It doesn't seem like they knowing or know what they got paid. Does this make a difference? Why this one token? We've seen multiple rug pulls. We're trying to do our best DYOR, but we can't get to the main thing. Today, the price of Ethereum Max has fallen by 98% from its peak. Celebrities and influencers have gotten into hot water with the US Securities and Exchange Commission for promoting crypto, including Mayweather and DJ Khaled, who together paid fines and penalties of $767,000 in 2018. Earlier this year, Elon Musk responded to rumors the SEC was investigating him about his tweeting admiring Dogecoin. I hope they do. It would be awesome, he tweeted. Now we've seen Elon Musk has mentioned Bitcoin and it boomed when his company bought. We've seen him talk about Dogecoin and it boomed as well. Now, if someone just talks about something, is that promoting it if he's not getting paid for it? Because I'm pretty sure in Elon Musk's case, he's not getting paid because he has more money than the rest of the world. He's the richest man there is. But it's something to look at. We're seeing a lot of new projects coming out. And for example, on Instagram, we're seeing a lot of promotion by influencers. So do your due diligence and be sure you know what kind of project you get into. Be safe, enjoy the crypto, and happy gains. Take care.